So our team is Function 42. We were given the theme of sci-fi related team names, and we took our inspiration from an old sci-fi book called The Hitchhiker's Guide to the Galaxy, where 42 is the answer to the ultimate question of life, the universe, and everything. So now let's meet the Function 42 team.
I'm Alexander Jessup, and I come from a management and sales background, and I was looking to transition into a career that causes me to constantly develop and be creative and problem solve.
Hello, I'm David. I have a background as a CNC machinist. I fell in love with coding and decided to be a web developer.
Hi, I'm Natalie Pizarro. For the past 12 years, I've been working at one of the large oil companies as a geoscience technologist and a data analyst. I'm very excited about my future career in tech.
Hello, I'm Zachariah Audio, a geologist in oil and gas industry for over 10 years. I pivot to tech industry this year and excited to solve new challenges.
We also teamed up with Felix to bring you this presentation. Felix is a company that makes smart devices for controlling the environment in things like aquariums, terrariums, and indoor gardens. Over the years, Felix has built a wide community of people who use their devices, both hobby users as well as experts. When talking to some of these experts, Felix realized that many of them have a common problem. Felix then reached out to Inception U to see if anyone could help them with this problem. Many experts have said a big business problem is the amount of time it takes to reply to comments on social media. They have fans who want advice, but text is just not the best format to diagnose niche problems. These experts have expressed that, in many cases, they would be able to solve their followers' issues better if they could arrange a quick video call. So that's why Function 42 created a video conferencing app called Join You, where influencers have a place to arrange video calls with their followers, helping them with advice and giving them answers to their questions. So after hearing the pitch from Felix, the team got to work on planning. Using agile methodologies, we coordinated our Scrum, Sprint, and daily stand-up meetings, and then we held a kickoff discussion with the product owners where we spoke about the business problem, what were the major features we need, and what technologies would be appropriate for our goals. The team then collaborated on user stories and refined them with the product owners. Our goal in the early stages was to seek product clarity before moving forward. We started by using Figma to create wireframes. We iterated over several visions for the app, focusing on functionality first, leaving styling until later. This gave us a good idea of what the app might look like and how many screens we might need. We then used these wireframes as a visual talking point to get the discussions flowing. These discussions ended up providing a lot of direction, helping us move forward with development. And now to show you the product of that development, I'm going to hand it over to Alex. He's going to show you what does it look like to use Join You as an expert.
Thanks, David. So what you're seeing here is the application on a phone being mirrored onto our computer. So let's say that I'm an aquarium expert and I have this Join You app, so my followers can connect with me on a one-on-one basis, which will save me so much time and allow me to solve their problems faster. It'll also give me some pocket change for a good coffee. And would you look at this, we actually have an appointment right now with Natalie. So I'm going to start the call with Natalie. So Natalie can join me now. And hopefully we can give her the assistance she needs. Hi, I'm Aquarium Alex. Nice to meet you, Natalie. Oh. It also seems that Natalie's currently muted and we're having a bit of Wi-Fi problems. This is something we're still working out.
We do have a little bit of delays with mirroring. I will get back to the script. Hi, Aquarium Alex. I cannot believe I'm getting the chance to speak to you live. This is absolutely wild. I've been your biggest fan. You must have more followers than Kim Kardashian. Your YouTube tutorials have also helped me so much. I do have a little bit of a problem though. I've been Googling this everywhere and I can't seem to find an answer. My specific type of fish is sick and I don't know what's causing this. There are just too many variables. Could you have a look at my ecosystem and let me know if you see anything peculiar?
Certainly. Just flip your camera around and let me take a peek. Interesting. I'm going to say your aquarium is looking a little dry and perhaps a little too yellow. I'm going to say that this critical advice that I'm giving you right now in order to solve your problems should handle everything perfectly. And it seems that we're still having a little bit of connectivity issues between the devices.
We are frozen, but
which is quite all right. Once the call is done here and Natalie's been satisfied with our answer, I can stop the call, which will bring me back to my agenda view. From here, I'm going to be able to show you the experience of what an expert can do in order to set up their day. Immediately, what you're seeing is that I'm already logged in on the profile page. On this profile page, I'm able to see upcoming appointments. And as you can see, my life is looking a little bare. So perhaps I need to set a better price point because $85 for a session like that probably isn't worth it. So I'm going to change it to 15. Also, I know that I have a busy week coming up. So I'm going to change my start times and my availability. Perhaps I start before my workday occurs. So I'll go from 6:15 to about 8:30 a.m. Once I submit this, I'll be taken back to the home screen so I can get the experience of what it's like to be a client, because as an influencer, I too want to improve my situations. And I'll give you Natalie to take you through the client's experience.
Great. Thanks, Alex. Okay, so I'm just, again, mirroring my phone. So I'm starting here on my home screen. When I previously registered for my account, I selected my interests and my feed is now filtered to the experts available for me based on the interests I selected upon registration. If I wanted to view experts outside of my interests, I can just go up here and hit filter by category, and I can choose other interests. For the demo, I am still interested in aquariums, and I want to book an appointment with Aquarium Alex, the fish expert. Okay, so I can see Alex's available time slots day after day, and I'll just choose 6:15 a.m. and hit book now at the bottom. I'll put in a brief description of my problem, and I can take a video and a photo. I'm just going to snap a photo because it looks like the mirroring delay is still going to be a problem for us. Okay, so then I can crop my photo to my problem and submit it. And having the supporting documentation will help optimize the entire experience. So then I'll proceed to payment. And for the purposes of the demo, again, we've disabled the payment inputs so that we can actually get the appointment through. So payment was successful. And now the appointment will be showing up on my calendar as well as the influencer's calendar. So if I go to my profile page, I can see that I have a there's a delay. Anyways, I have the appointment on my profile page. So that concludes our major features of the demo, and I'll pass it to Zach to walk us through the technologies.
Thank you, Natalie. For the core technology stack that the team thought will be most effective for our goals was Node.js, React Native, Firebase, WebRTC, and Expo. For our project management, we use Figma for wireframing, Draw for architecture planning, Trello for task management, Discord for team communication and team share, Zoom for our stand-up daily meeting. And we use other resources like Stack Overflow, NPM library, and GitHub. So what is next for the app? We have many features that are coming soon, including deep linking, different method of authentication, payment option such as Google Pay and Apple Pay, push notification and badge icons, interaction reviews, and deploy to app store. During the initial planning of our project, our team was faced with an interesting choice. We were to either A, build a web app with the tech stack we had recently learned and guarantee more advanced final product, or we will B, build a mobile app with some technologies we didn't know but we wish to learn. Our team unanimously chose the hard path, choosing the struggle and the learning at the expense of having a more advanced final product. We knew this might be the only time in our career where we might get this opportunity. We also knew we had the support of our knowledgeable facilitators. In the end, we made the right choice. We learned a lot and we were proud of how far we have come. We have wonderful mobile app for helping people connect and solve their problems on the go. We would like to thank Inception U for the high quality program they have put together. Thank you to Felix Smart for coming forward with this challenging idea. Also, we would like to give a special shout out to our Scrum Master, Danielle. She helped us manage the project and guided us when we struggled. She is a master of her craft and we were lucky to have her. Thank you, Danielle. Also, we would like to thank our lead facilitator, Greg Fenton, for all the wisdom he had shared with us. You may find us or find our app that has been deployed on the Google Play Store already. And if you would like to view our code, please go to GitHub and please be kind to our bugs when you encounter them. We hope you enjoy our presentation. For question and suggestion, you may reach us out individually with the connection information that is on the one-pager provided to you by Inception U. We hope you enjoy the upcoming presentation by the Code is Pattern. Thank you.